In this video, I'll show you how to convert any file into a high-quality MP4 using Handbrake. Whether you're experienced or just getting started with video conversion, Handbrake is a powerful and free tool that makes the process simple. To begin, make sure Handbrake is installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, download it from the official website. It works on both Windows and Mac. Once installed, open the application and you'll see its clean, easy-to-use interface. Next, import your video file. Click on the Open Source button or simply drag and drop your file into the window, whichever you prefer. After loading your file, go to the Summary tab and select MP4 as the format. This step ensures your video will be widely compatible and maintain good quality. Now move on to adjusting your settings. In the Dimensions tab, confirm or modify the resolution if needed. This is helpful if you want to resize your video. Then head over to the Video tab. Here, choose a codec like H.264 or H.265. Both offer great quality and compression. You can also tweak settings like frame rate and quality, bitrate or constant quality, which will affect the final file size and clarity. Don't forget about audio. In the Audio tab, AAC is the most common choice, and you can adjust bitrate and channels depending on your needs. If all these settings feel overwhelming, you can use presets. Just click the preset option and pick one that matches your device or purpose. This makes everything much quicker. Before you start converting, click Browse next to Save As to choose where your file will be saved. Finally, click Start Encode to begin the conversion. That's it. Your video will be processed and saved as an MP4. Thanks for watching and happy converting!